Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Jack and Emma English Podcast, the place where learning English feels just like chatting with friends. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic, talking about your daily routine in English. It's something you do every single day, so it's a great way to build confidence and fluency.
Exactly. Whether you're talking to new friends, colleagues, or practicing self-introductions, being able to describe your day naturally is super useful.
So let's start with the morning. Emma, how does your day usually begin?
Well, I usually wake up around 6:30 a.m., but I wish I could say I jump right out of bed. In reality, I hit the snooze button at least twice.
Same here. I wake up at 7, stretch a bit, then head straight to the kitchen to make coffee.
Nice. So, common verbs you can use to describe your morning routine include wake up, brush my teeth, take a shower, get dressed, and have breakfast.
Right. Here's an example. I wake up at 7 a.m., take a quick shower, get dressed, and have a cup of coffee before I go to work.
Or for students, you can say, I wake up early, brush my teeth, eat breakfast, and get ready for school. Don't confuse wake up and get up. Wake up means you stop sleeping. Get up means you leave the bed.
After morning routines, we usually move into our work or study schedule. For example, I start work at 9 a.m. and finish around 5 p.m.
And if you're a student, you can say, I go to school at 8, have classes until 2, and then hang out with my friends. Here are some other useful verbs: work, study, attend meetings, check emails, have lunch, take a break, go to class.
You can also add adverbs of frequency to sound more natural. Usually, sometimes, always, never. For example, I usually have lunch at noon. I sometimes work late. I never skip breakfast.
That's a great point. Adverbs like these help you show habits clearly.
After work or school, people usually talk about what they do to relax. For example, after work, I go to the gym. In the evening, I like to cook dinner and watch TV.
Or, I take my dog for a walk. I listen to music. I hang out with friends. Or, I play video games.
If you want to sound more advanced, try using linking words. After I finish work, I go shopping. Before dinner, I take a shower. While watching TV, I check my phone.
Those connecting words make your sentences smoother and more natural, like real native speakers.
Now let's talk about what people do before bed. I usually go to bed around 10:30. Before I sleep, I read a book or scroll through my phone. Sometimes I stay up late watching Netflix.
Yeah, guilty of that too. It's always just one more episode, right? Exactly. Here's a full example of a simple daily routine paragraph. I wake up at 6:30 a.m., get ready, and go to work. I work from 9 to 5, then I go to the gym in the evening. After that, I have dinner with my family and watch TV. Finally, I go to bed around 10:30.
Let's go over some extra words and expressions to make your routine sound more natural. Commute, to travel to work or school. I commute by bus every morning. Grab a bite, eat something quickly. I usually grab a bite before my meeting. Call it a day. Stop working for the day. I finish my reports and call it a day. Catch up on. Do something you missed. I catch up on emails in the evening.
Those phrases help you sound more fluent and relaxed, like a native speaker. Okay, let's practice a short dialogue using daily routine phrases.
Sounds good. Let's do it.
What time do you usually wake up, Jack?
Around 7. I make coffee, check my emails, and then start preparing for work. What about you?
I wake up earlier, around 6. I like to go for a quick run before breakfast.
Wow, that's impressive. I'm not a morning person.
That's okay. Some people are night owls, others are early birds.
See, even a simple topic like this gives you tons of vocabulary to practice every day.
If you really want to think in English, try describing your daily routine in English inside your head, like a mini narration.
Exactly. While brushing your teeth, think, I'm brushing my teeth. When you're cooking, say, I'm making breakfast. That's how your brain learns to connect English directly to action, not translation.
Here's your homework challenge for today. Record a 1-minute voice note describing your daily routine.
Or write a short paragraph and post it in the comments. We'd love to read it.
And remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent and confident.
Thanks for listening to the Jack and Emma English podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, hit follow, share it with a friend, and practice your English every single day.
You got this. Keep learning, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.